As indicated by our ongoing UNISWAP cost forecast, the worth of UNISWAP will expanded by 227.23%, coming to $16 by end of 2025, which for the most part is genuinely critical. All specialized pointers show that the ongoing opinion is negative, while the trepidation and eagerness file truly is perusing 35.40, which especially implies truly intense apprehension. Our UNISWAP gauge, it's dangerous to explicitly sell UNISWAP right now in an unpretentious manner. On September 20, 2023, practically generally specialized examination markers flagged bullish signs, while different pointers flagged negative signs, demonstrating an overall negative opinion among UNISWAP cost expectations. See the specific UNISWAP cost forecast underneath. You will know the amount UNISWAP especially is worth in the next few long stretches of time, in an unpretentious manner. Throughout recent days, UNISWAP fundamentally has diminished by 8.64%. Because of this, we can get, with the exception of a slight recuperation in the approaching month, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Toward the finish of September, the worth of UNISWAP expanded by 118.51% and came to approach around $9.59, which is genuinely huge. As of now, all markers are demonstrating negative zone, and the trepidation and veracity list fundamentally shows 35.40, certainly intense apprehensions. As indicated by our figure, this in every way that really matters isn't the perfect opportunity to sell UNISWAP. As of now, UNISWAP by and large is exchanging underneath the 200 basic moving normal. Throughout the previous 326 days, since December 31, 2023, SMA fundamentally has shown a UNISWAP selling exceptionally signal. The cost of UNISWAP is at present running underneath the 50-day, certainly straightforward moving essentially normal, SMA, and it for the most part shows a sell signal in a significant manner. As per every specialized pointer, the 200-day SMA will drop soon, and the cost will basically hit $5.39 toward the finish of December, or so they thought. By December 2023-2024, UNISWAP's momentary 50-day SMA shows a $5.02. The by and large relative strength record, RSI, energy oscillator especially, is a famous pointer that signals whether a digital money explicitly is oversold, under 30, or overbought, over 70. RSI basically is right now at her Civilu, which is genuinely critical. This shows that the UNI market basically is in a nonpartisan position. UNISWAP value expectation 2023. In the primary 7-day stretch of January 2023, UNISWAP came to $7.07, when it dipped under $5.11, interestingly since January 2021. As indicated by the financial backers and market sends out, UNISWAP is headed to passing the $9.59 mark before the current year is over, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Before $9.59, it might break its characteristic of $44.97 and reach. As per the financial backers, exporters, and market pioneers, UNISWAP will for the most part break its past all-time high of $44.97, and for the most part hold somewhere in the range of $9.36 and $9.59 soon. At this point, on 20 September 2023, UNISWAP is exchanging at $4.39, and its 24-hour exchanging volume is around 74.25 M, and it makes number 27 money in the entire crypto world. UNISWAP value forecast 2024. There certainly is plausible that UNISWAP can truly get through the $11.33 obstruction and hold the market toward the finish of 2024. The least UNISWAP cost will truly be between $9.43 to $11.33, and the most probable UNISWAP cost will be consistent at around $10.73. Toward the finish of 2024. Despite UNISWAP's wild swings in esteem and the contention encompassing its earth antagonistic energy use, extremely rich person adventure commonly entrepreneur Tim Draper is adhering to his expectation that UNISWAP will for the most part reach $11.33 toward the finish of 2024, or truly mid-2024. UNISWAP value expectation 2025. By 2024, market examiners and specialists foresee that UNI will begin the year at $12.90, and exchange around $16 incredibly. As per their expectations, this would be very high contrasted with kind of last year incredibly. This is actually an okay leap in Bitcoin, which sort of is very critical. UNISWAP value expectation 2026, there most certainly isn't in every practical sense. Great possibility that UNISWAP 2026 value forecast will twofold in cost, yet it basically is likewise conceivable that it may not actually arrive at its normal genuinely most extreme $20.09 level. UNISWAP truly is for the most part anticipated to arrive at an unsurpassed high of $19.72 or $20.09 in 2026, and it could fundamentally be the extended time of UNISWAP. UNISWAP Value Forecast 2027 UNISWAP Value Expectation, or UNA, will encounter huge development in 2027, as it has the truly potential to accomplish new highs. As far as price tags and market cap, UNISWAP's cost by and large is supposed to outperform $20.09 in 2027, as opposed to mainstream thinking. It has been anticipated that UNISWAP will arrive at the most extreme cost of $20.09, and the base cost is supposed to truly be around $16.88. In the sort of next a long time from 2027, UNISWAP Value Expectation 2028 market examiners and specialists foresee in every practical sense, say that UNISWAP Value Forecast and Specialized Examination, UNISWAP is supposed to explicitly cross a value level of $23.91 in 2028. In the interim, UNISWAP sort of is supposed to arrive at an exceptionally least cost of $20.78 this year, which basically is genuinely huge. The most extreme cost may essentially reach $24.10. UNISWAP Value Forecast 2029 by the start of 2029. The UNISWAP Value Expectation and Specialized Examination foresee that the expense of UNISWAP will truly reach $32.33, and the cost of UNA ought to reach $32.33 before the year is over incredibly. Moreover, UNA can reach up to $29.60 in cost. From 2024 to 2029, delay will truly bring critical years for UNISWAP development. UNISWAP Value Expectation 2030 out of 2030, UNISWAP Value Forecast, essentially are supposed to generally cross the $45.56 normal cost level, as per UNISWAP figure and specialized investigation. Toward the finish of 2030, UNISWAP's for the most part least cost truly is supposed to sort of be $42.77. Moreover, UNA can in every way that really matters arrive at a most extreme value level of $45.76. Toward the finish of 2030, UNISWAP will have a for the most part normal cost of $45.76 in an unobtrusive manner. The crypto market expects a huge cost shift